Welcome back to channel one. Today, I'm going to be sharing a product with you that I am super excited about. It is the Wave Neo USB microphone. It is absolutely amazing. I am so stoked to be able to review this product. I am a big fan of Elgato products, I'm not going to lie. But whenever I was able to get this from Elgato, I know I'm a little bit late to the game, but we're going to go over all the ins and outs of it today. There's a lot of different options available that you can use with it. I love the white aesthetic of it. It is really stable. The whole entire microphone sits on your desk, or you can attach it to a boom arm if you want to. It can completely come apart. Use the top half of it, attach it to your boom arm. We'll do some sound tests as we go through this video, let you listen to it and tell you all the features that are available on the Wave Neo. Okay, so now that we've got the Wave Neo unboxed, let's talk about the actual specs of the microphone itself. It is a condenser microphone. It does have a cardioid pickup pattern. It's about, with both risers, it's about 11 inches tall or about 282 millimeters. You can only use, if you want to, you can take one of the risers off, and the microphone then will be about 7.2 inches tall. It does have a 24-bit depth. The frequency response is 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. It does have a 48 kilohertz and 96 kilohertz sample rate. Also, the connectivity is through USB. It has a USB Type-C connection on the back. That turns into a USB Type-A connection on the end. You can connect it to a USB-C port with an adapter, and it will work either way. But the microphone itself, this is what it sounds like out of the box. Nothing done to it whatsoever. I really enjoy the sound quality of this microphone. It is about $89 on Amazon or directly from Elgato's website as well. So it's not super expensive, it's not super cheap. So it's right there in the middle, and you get a really good, great sounding microphone. Located directly on the back of the microphone, you do have a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. This is so you can actually monitor your microphone output directly into your headphones. Located directly on the front of the microphone, you have a very conveniently located touch to tap mute option. So, and to give you an idea of what it looks like, there it is. And when we mute it, it turns a bright red whenever the microphone is muted. The compact design of the Wave Neo makes it ideal for a portable setup, and that is what my intention is, to use the Wave Neo in conjunction with my laptop and some other peripherals as well for a mobile content creation station. Let's do a few quick sound tests for the Wave Neo, just to give you an idea of how much background noise this microphone will pick up. And in the event that you may need to use, a limiter, a compressor, or some noise reduction filters while you're recording with this microphone, I have a keyboard located directly behind the microphone. I'll just press a few keys on it. Just give you an idea. I'll quit talking and let you hear what it sounds like while I'm pressing these keys. And there we go. There's a sound test that is available to us while we're typing. And this is the noise that you could expect to be picked up by the Wave Neo while you're typing or using it in a surrounding area. I'm really looking forward to taking advantage of the Wave Neo for my mobile content creation station. For full disclosure, Elgato did send this microphone to me free of charge for this review. However, and as always, all my thoughts and opinions about the product are mine and mine alone. If you would like to help me out by supporting this channel, I'll leave a link down in the description below for this microphone. It will be an affiliate link. So by using that affiliate link, it does help me out a little bit when you purchase this microphone online. Anyway, as always, thanks so much for hanging out, for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed the review of the Elgato Wave Neo. And as always, much love, peace out, and we'll see you in the next one.